Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering pretty much everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't even matter or that you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which are the best VPNs for Phoenix browser right now, plus a few key things about each. That way, you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab the full research doc for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. The top 3 VPNs for Phoenix browser and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Phoenix browser. Why? Well, it works seamlessly with Phoenix browser. Super important, I guess. Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Minimal lag, no connectivity drops, solid download and upload speeds. Features, it's got the most by far. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, pretty cheap for what you get, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, it's super easy to use, fast, reliable, and reasonably priced. Negatives, just a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Phoenix browser is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built for pure performance. Speed, incredibly fast, consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth sailing on Phoenix browser. Features, all the essentials you need, plus a bit more. A rock-solid kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route only Phoenix browser traffic through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, and their no logs policy is independently audited. Encryption, top-notch AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds nervous. But that no-log audit holds up. Server network is also smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for smooth Phoenix browser use and great value. Third best for Phoenix browser is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization you'll find on this list. Speed? Very good. With that huge network, you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for your Phoenix browser sessions. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and seriously the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. And their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the others. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful choice. Best if you're on a budget but want a massive network and advanced features for Phoenix browser. And that's it, my top 3 picks. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because of their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine, since they work perfectly with Phoenix browser. Quick recap to close this out. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall, premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers insane value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and lots of advanced features for Phoenix browser. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which it was. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.